Hey, it's Charles Mentasana, the mortgage genius over at Service First Mortgage. Hope you're doing well today. The reason I'm doing this video is to give you a quick message about some questions that I've been asked. And it has to do with keeping your current home, purchasing a house, and then selling your current home, doing it backwards. And yes, it can be done. I know there's a lot of stress out there whenever you're trying to pack up and sell and everything, especially if you have little kids, going to school, summer vacation, work. And sometimes purchasing your home, getting settled, and then selling relieves lots and lots of stress. And that's what we're here to help you try to do, right? So the way it works is that we do a conventional loan and you put 5% down on your new house. Once it closes, you get moved and you get your other house on the market and you sell it. Once it sells, you take that big chunk of equity that you were going to use originally to put down the house and you go ahead and apply it to the principal. What you do is you call up the servicer, you say, hey, I want to do a principal reduction. I've got X amount of dollars to apply. They will apply it to the reduction, to the principal, and reduce it. And in addition to that, your mortgage payment will adjust according to the new loan balance. Now, they usually have a little fee involved, $300-400. It just depends. But if you can reduce your payment and the principal, why not? Take advantage of it and do it. So I've done this twice in the last 2 months with clients. It's exactly what they did. Put a smaller down payment, sold their home, moved the equity to the principal, lowered their payment, and all was well. But they did all this so they didn't have the stress of moving. They wanted to do some updates to the home. They wanted to do several other things. They both have little kids. It was all about relieving stress. Now, we do need to see if you qualify. There are some caveats, debt ratios, credit scores, a lot of things. So we do need to look at it. But give me a call and let's take a look. I can be reached, of course, on my office at 972-608-7516 and my cell at 214-543-3997. So the short answer to that question, yes, it is possible to qualify keeping your current home to sell after you purchase your new one. I look forward to hearing from you and hope you have a great day.